guys, this is Poetspice, Jamie Lowell Tallulah, and I am here to do the craft collab that is for Christmas. It is the second Friday, so that is what we do. And all year long, we are making Christmas projects, and so that hopefully we'll be we'll be set when it comes to December. So I just got this in the mail with a whole bunch of other stuff, and so my haul video, if you want to see that, is going to be going up on Saturday. So you can see that because it's massive. So this actually came in, and I have all of the Crafter's Companions everyday pop-up boxes, the dies and stuff. And then this was the one that I was missing because they sold out of it in the UK, and then it's back. So I was so happy because I was able to finally get this little snowman thing, and I love it. So cute. Little snowman. So it has the stamps and dies, and then they do have the pop-up box. Now I do not use their die for the pop-up box. I just go ahead and cut my own. I do have a tutorial, so if I can remember, I will either link it up here or put it in the description box of how to make your own pop-up box with an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper and no die, even though you know I love a die. So that's what I use. And then I use some paper from my stash, and I did use a stamp and a die piece from Diamond Press. So here is the card, and when you open it, I love these little cards, so it's so cute. So in the background, you can see I use this. This is the paper I had. So I had some of this red paper, and then some, what do you call those? Peppermints. So I just layered those up on the bottom. And then I did the same thing here on the flaps this way. And then I cut out and colored the little snow people. Look at those little snowballs. And he's skiing back here. And then the tree, and then there's a little mountain. And then this die speech bubble was one of the new dies from Diamond Press, and so is this sentiment here. And I just went ahead and put those in here, and then there's my card. It's so cute. And so it will close flat to go in your envelope. And most of the time I don't decorate this back part because you're not going to see it. You can. And then on the back here, put this here, and you can write your message here on the back. You can put another layer to put a message on the back. And then there you go. So it's just a cute little card. And so there's mine. So go check out the other ladies and see what they've come up with this week. And if you want to play along, go ahead and do so. There's a hashtag, and I shall see you guys later. Thanks for watching.